Welcome. In today's video, we're diving into the world of online analytics tools. Understanding how to effectively use these tools is essential for making data-driven decisions that can significantly enhance your business. Online analytics tools are crucial for tracking performance, understanding user behavior, and ultimately driving success. They provide insights that guide your marketing strategies and help optimize your overall operations. Let's explore some of the most popular online analytics tools available today. Tools like Google Analytics, Adobe Analytics, and Mixpanel each offer unique features tailored to different business needs. Setting up your analytics tool is straightforward. We'll walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you capture all the necessary data from the get-go. Now that your tool is set up, let's look at key metrics that you should track. Understanding metrics like bounce rate and conversion rate will guide your understanding of user engagement. Interpreting the data is where the real insights lie. We'll teach you how to read reports and translate numbers into actionable strategies. Segmentation allows you to target specific audiences, leading to better insights. We'll explain how to segment your data for more precise analysis. Establishing clear goals and KPIs is vital for measuring success with analytics. Let's discuss how to set these effectively to ensure maximum efficiency. To maximize efficiency, integrating your analytics tools with other marketing platforms is key. We'll show you how to create a seamless experience across all your tools. Many users make mistakes when using analytics tools. We'll cover the most common pitfalls to avoid so you can get the most out of your data. In conclusion, utilizing online analytics tools effectively requires continuous learning and adaptation. As the landscape of digital marketing evolves, so should your strategies.